Alanna, mate, thanks for coming. You are such a high achiever, and like you're so driven. Like, so where did that come from?
I think my mum's she's got such a good work ethic.
Right.
You know, when she was 40 years old, her and Dad broke up, but you know, she just gave everything away and started from scratch and had that confidence that she could rebuild herself.
Yeah.
She did up a boat, and then it wasn't perfect because she's a perfectionist as well.
Yeah.
So she then decided she was going to be a boat builder, and she spent the last 10 years building a boat, plus doing like a normal 40-hour work week. But now, like, that's her retirement. You know, she just goes sailing around Australia.
It's pretty clear where you got it from.
Yeah, I think so.
Your food itself is so, like, it's tasty, it's delicious, it seems so relevant. Like, where you find your inspiration with, like, what you're putting on the plate right now?
Well, I just want tasty food. Do you know what I mean? And I think, like, also, like, COVID was actually really great because, again, you know, I had the opportunity at ARC to, you know, put all my ethos and, you know, all these layers into it and really care for the team. But it really gave me a bit of self-reflection time as well of, you know, what's really important to me. Is it the awards? Is it, you know, what do I want to be proud of doing and what do I want to be encouraging? And I thought after COVID, you know, we would be seeing everyone's had a bit of a taste of a time off, so they're definitely not going to be wanting to go do those hours. I think that training and skills are going to be lost because of that, because the sheer time restraints that you have. Like, that's the scariest thing to me, is to think that the next generation will come through and they won't know how to brumise a shallot properly, or they won't be able to make a lemon tart, or they just won't have that basic cookery skills. And I think that's what, you know, I really want to be doing at Beach. Like, it's very restrained. It's just tasty food, using really great produce. But, you know, they are learning those really important skills that I want to be passing on.
Yeah. So tell us about this dish. So this is like one of my favourite things, potatoes.
Oh, this is, like, I lived off this at ARC. This is actually one of my friend's mum's recipes that we, like, changed a bit, obviously, to like suit ARC, but and it's very like mumsy comfort, like especially in this weather, it's just. And what I really particularly like is it was a bit of a stress relief for all the chefs at ARC as well, because the secret to this is that you really want to squish it.
One of these puppies.
Do you want to smash it? And like the beautiful thing about that is you're just getting all the oil into all those bits and pieces and giving that crispiness. The oil really does make all the difference. So. Not for the veggies, but if you're not veggie, beef fat. Cooking them in beef fat, so good. Like, honestly, next level.
So I suppose with this dish, there's really two heroes. I mean, there's obviously the potatoes themselves, but then you've got this beautiful blue cheese. Like, what role does that play?
Oh, I think, like, that's the beauty of simple cooking as well. Like, it's all in the details. Like, you've got to make sure that it's a really quality blue cheese. Like, I like, you know, a bit of sharpness, you know, a bit of creaminess, but, you know, there's nowhere to hide in a dish like this. You want your crispy potatoes and you want a good blue cheese.
Anyway, talking of flavours, I'm going to recreate a dish like this using potatoes. But I'm going to use a Massel chicken stock. I'm going to flavour that with vinegar and Parmesan. But this looks so stunning. And I really appreciate you coming and sharing your story.
Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it.
All good.